We are building a multi-seller e-commerce website in this video. On this website, sellers across the globe can come, register an account, sell their products, where you earn a percentage of every successful transaction they make on your site. I'll also be showing you other ways you can monetize this website. But before we get started, let me show you a full demo, a full tour of the website we'll be setting up today. First, I'm going to demo your homepage, and that's what you're seeing right now. From there, I'll also show you how your sellers dashboards will look like, because that's where they'll be selling their products. After that, I'll show you how their users dashboards will also look like. Not just that, I'll also show you how single product looks like on your website. After I show you that, I'll then show you your administrative dashboard, your master control area, because that's where you'll be controlling your website. If that sounds interesting, let me now show you a demo of your homepage. So right now, what you're seeing is your demo. On top, we have a navigation bar with your menus. Users or buyers can track their order with this powerful feature. Users can contact you by clicking here. They can view all products. They can shop by category. This is a search box. Users can search for what they are looking for. From there, we have these features. Users can add your products to wish list. This their shopping basket and their account. Okay, so users will click on it, and it's taking us to a login form where users will enter their login details and click on login. Let's go back to the home page. Users can compare products prices. All right, so they'll click on this compare to compare prices. Beneath, we have a hero area, and to the left we have a category site menu. Users can hover and search by category, just like this. We have your banner. All right, to your left you see these cards, categories, and I'll show you how to create categories like this. A feature where users can click to register an account. Scroll down and we have your featured products, so you can feature some of your products here. Those products that you want to highlight or you want to get more sales, you can have them on your homepage just like this. Scroll down and we have your latest products, so these are your most recent products. Okay, scroll down and we have your sellers. All right, you can see sellers here. You can click here to view all sellers. A button users can click to register an account as a seller. All right, they'll enter their details and then register an account as a seller. Your top brands, you can upload your brands here, and your top selling products are going to be displayed here. Newsletter, your footer area, your logo, short description, social icons, your contact info, and here are some quick links. When you scroll down, you see your copyright text and then your payment methods. So that was a quick rundown on your homepage. Now let me show you how your sellers dashboards look like. So for this, we log in. So I'll click here and I'm going to log in. So enter my details and then log in. All right, so I've successfully logged in as a seller or a vendor, and this is what they will see when they log into their account. So they'll see total orders, total delivered orders, pending orders, processing orders, ready to pick up orders, rejected orders, and this is their sales log, latest orders. Now let's go to my shop, and this is where they upload their shop logo, their shop cover photo. Let me show you. So I'll click here and show you how that displays. Okay, so we have a cover image and then logo with his products. So let me take you back, and this is where you can find that. Now shop name, this is where they enter their shop name, phone number, address, They are open at time and close at time. Now they'll enter search engine optimization, title, and description. So these are metadata that they'll enter, and then keywords, their social links for their shop, right? Can be found here, and then they'll click on submit. Now let me take you to manage products. This is where your users will list their products. So I'll click on all products, and your users can click on add new to list products. So they enter their product name, and then this is going to be their product URL, product model, brand. So they'll pick a brand, right? Now category, this is where they assign a category to their product, price, description, summary. Now track inventory, so they'll click on this, and then description for search engine optimization benefits. Users who want their products to rank on Google will enter meta title, meta description, keywords, the image for this product, additional images, and video. If they have video for this product, they'll put it here. Only YouTube embedded link is allowed, and then they'll click on submit. Okay, now we have pending products. Let's go to pending products, and these products are pending. Now you, the website owner, will manually verify these products. Products review, so this is where you see their reviews here. Now manage orders, this is where they see all their orders. Just like this, click. Vendors will click on this button, mark as processing, and the buyer will see the status as processing. Now these are your product processing orders. Now when this product is ready for pickup, you click on mark as ready to pick up, and your sellers will see the product as ready for pickup, and they'll go for their products. Now that product will come here, ready to pick up. Okay, so the status of this product will change to ready to pick up. Now sales log, forget about that. Transactions, this is where they see their transactions or transaction history. Withdrawal, sellers will be withdrawing their money after they reach a certain threshold, and we can set that in our administrative dashboard. So they'll pick a payment method, enter an amount, and then click on confirm withdrawal, and you send this money to your sellers after they reach a certain threshold. Now two-factor authentication is here. Support, sellers can contact you, and then lock out. I've locked out. Let me now switch to buyer's dashboard and show you how that one too looks like. So for this, I'll simply enter the login details for a buyer and then click on login. Welcome to your buyer's dashboards. So this is how your buyer's dashboards look like. You can see all their orders, pending orders, processing orders, dispatch orders, order completed, and then order cancelled. So let's go to all orders, and here you can see the status of their orders. Users or buyers can track their orders by their order ID. So come here, paste your order ID, hit enter, and you see this order is still processing. All right, let's go to this product and track it. Track, paste it here, and click on track, and you see this order is delivered. You see that? Let's go back, and your users can click on this to view more details or information about this order. It's like this, right? And that's the most important feature or part of this dashboard. Now we have profile. They can change their profile information, two-factor authentication, change password, support tickets, and they can leave review on these products. All right, review, and then I can write review by clicking on review, and then I'll rate and leave a review. Good product, good product, and then click on submit review, and that review will be submitted. We are done with that dashboard. Let's demo our admins area as the website's owners. So you just add / to your website name / admin. All right, so like this / admin, enter your login details. All right, let me log out and show you. All right, so it's going to be like this. Enter your login details. I'll show you how to get this. All right, after we install the website. Now click on login, and you are here. You, the website owner, will see total customers, total active customers, total orders, and total delivered orders. You also see total sellers, total active sellers, total products, and total amount spent on your site. You also see total pending payment, withdrawal, pending withdrawal with pending charge. Now, the second way to monetize this website is to charge for withdrawal. Now, when sellers are withdrawing their money, you charge a small percentage. When users are buying products on your site, you want them to pay a small percentage for using your website. So now there are 3 ways. We have payment gateway charge, withdrawal charge, and your sale commissions. I'll show you where to find that. Now go to my shop, and you, the website owner, can also sell products on your own site. Okay, so you can have sellers or vendors create accounts and sell their products. You too can create or can also sell your own products. So this is your store analytics. You have your admins area analytics, and you also have your store analytics. Now you see total orders, pending orders, processing orders, dispatched, cash on delivery orders, total products, and total sold. Just like what we saw on our sellers dashboard, you also have the same feature. Now customers. Now these are going to be your buyers, right? So active customers, users who will be buying products on your site. You see their details, and you can log into these users dashboard by clicking on details, and then you click on login as user, and you can log into this user's account. Now let's go to sellers, and because you are the website admin, you have access to buyers and sellers information. So click on active sellers, and you can see these are your active sellers. You can click on details and log in as this seller. All right, that's enough of that feature. Let's go to shipping methods. So I click on shipping methods, and you'll be setting up shipping methods for your users. You click on add new, enter your shipping method name, how much this shipping method costs, deliver in how many days, and then description, and click on submit. All right, so let's go back and go to products. So click on products, now categories. Click on categories, and you can add categories here. So you enter your category name, logo, meta title, meta description, meta keywords. Now highlight in, is it top category, special category, or filter category? Brands. So go to brands. Here, this way you add your brands. Okay, let me show you. Let's go down to this part, brands. So you add them. I'll show you how to do that after we set up the site. Now attribute type, forget about it for now. Now all products, go to all products. You can also sell your own products by clicking on add new, and then you enter your product information or your product details, and then click on submit, just like a regular seller. Now go to my products. Now these are products by admin. Click, and you can add your product here as well. Now these are sellers, all your sellers products, they're all here. You can approve their products by clicking on more, and then you click on approve. You can also mark it as featured, and when you mark it as featured, that product will be featured here. It will be added here. We go to products review, and this will display all product reviews. Now admins orders, click on all orders, and you see these are admins orders. Now orders, and these are your sellers orders, so click on all orders, and these are your vendors orders. So we have admin orders and vendors orders, they're all here. Promotion. Now you can set up coupon codes here by clicking on coupons, and then click on add new, enter coupon name, coupon code, discount type, is it a percentage or a fixed fee, amount. So if it's percentage, click and put the percentage, and if it's fixed, click and put that amount there. Now start and end date for this promotion, so maybe the whole of April, right? So maybe 1st April to 31st April. Description here, usage restriction, minimum spend, how much must your buyers spend before using this coupon. So the minimum and maximum, that means your sellers have to spend $100 and above before they can apply this code. Now assign category to this coupon. So this coupon is only applicable to maybe the clothing category. Select a product. If you want this to be applied to only specific products, I'll assign that. Now the usage limit per coupon, it means this coupon can only be applied 100 times, and we also have usage limit per customer. So put here 1, that way a customer is only allowed to use it once. Right, now click on submit, and you have created a coupon. Now go to offers, and the same thing, you can add a new offer, and then enter offer name, discount type. This is just like the coupon code. Now start and end date. Now you select a specific product, you choose that product, and then submit. Right, now let's go to payment and withdrawal. Pending payments, users who will be making manual payments, this way you see that, and then you can approve it or deny or reject. So you either approve or reject. These are approved payments, successful payment, rejected payment, initiated payments, and all payments. Now let's go to withdrawal. Sellers will be requesting for their money, you see that here, pending withdrawal, and then you click on details and then approve it or reject it. And then here we have your support and report. Click, and then here, this way you'll be responding to users support tickets. Now let's skip to system settings, and this is where you'll be configuring, or you'll be using to configure your website. I'll show you how to do this after we set up the site. This gets a demo. So now that we're done with that, let me now show you the things you need to get started building a website like this. From there, we'll then configure our website for production. If that sounds interesting, let's get the things we need to build a website like what I just showed you. Alright, so before you build any kind of website, there are 2 things we need to get started. 1, we need a web hosting, and then we need a domain name. If you don't know what these things are, don't worry, let me explain what they are and why you need them. So the very first thing is web hosting. Web hosting is just like an online storage for your website, where your website files are going to reside. All your website files are going to live inside a place called web hosting. The second piece to it is domain name, and this is nothing but your website address. This is the address people are going to type in search engines or browsers to get access to your website. So your website name.com is going to be your domain name. So we need these two pieces to get started with our website. The speed and performance of your website mainly depends on the web hosting provider you pick. Also, the security of your website relies on your hosting provider. That's why in the description of this video, there's a link that says get hosting here. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to a page just like this. This makigohost.com, and we'll be getting our domain name and web hosting from this hosting provider. I've used them for a very long time, and then I know how they perform. So to get started, just hover here and click on shared hosting cPanel, because this is what we need to get started with our website. We need their shared hosting. Okay, buy shared hosting and nothing else. Click on get started, and it's going to take you to this part of the screen. Makigohost offers 3 plans: Go Basic, Standard, and Go Unlimited. Pick your preferred plan based on your needs, but I think the basic plan will work fine for you. Because it's one website that you are building or you want to host, just go with the Go Basic plan. And you see they offer a lot of features here. Let me now show you quickly how to purchase this plan. So click on order now, and you are brought to a page just like this. Scroll down, and I want you to pick the yearly cycle, and you're going to save 8%. Okay, so you get 8% off, and that's not all. I'm also going to give you a discount code, and that will get you 20% off. If you want Makigohost to integrate Google Analytics on your site, enable this. If you also want them to index your site on Google, enable this. But I don't have money for that, so today what I'm going to do is I'm only going to show you how to order hosting. So just click on continue. On this page, we'll be entering our domain name. So this is where we register our domain name. If you have your domain name somewhere else and you want to transfer to Makigohost, click here and enter that domain name. If you also have a domain somewhere, active domain, that you want to keep it over there, and the only thing you need from Makigohost is the hosting plan, then click here to use the domain you have somewhere, and the only thing you'll be doing is to update your domain's name server to Makigohost name server. So enter that existing domain name here that you have with maybe Namecheap or whichever domain provider you have your domain with. Just enter that domain here and click on continue. But in this training, I want to show you how to order a new domain name. So click on register domain. After that, I'll click here and enter my domain name. So I'll put something like testsolowebsite.com. You can pick your tld.com, .net, .uk. Depending on your business model, pick, if it's finance website that you are building, pick this one. So we have .net, .xyz, .org. Just choose the one you want, but I want to go with .com and click on continue. Congrats, this domain name is available. So you have to come out with a unique name that has not been taken. So let me remove this and put something like google.com and click on continue. Sorry, google.com is already registered, or this domain has been taken, and this is because Google is already using this. So you can register 2 domain names. All right, you can have 2 the same domains online, so you have to be unique and come out with your own domain name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my domain, which is this. Scroll down and click on add to cart. Scroll down again, and I want you to enable ID protection. This is not a must, but if you're concerned with protection, security, and you don't want spam, you hate spam, you know, we all hate spam, and you don't want to be spammed, then enable ID protection. After you register a domain name, okay, your data is going to be stored in what is called whois lookup. So let me just type whois lookup. Now you can enter any domain here and click on search to see who owns this domain. So users will do that. Spammers will pick your domain name, enter it here, search, and get your phone number, your email address, and all the contact information of yours, and start spamming you, start sending you promotions and what have you. So if you don't want that, headache, please enable ID protection. It's $5 every year, so pick it. But now I don't have money, so what I'll do is I'll click on continue. Now this is where we'll be entering our coupon code. So click here, apply code, and enter this code. I have it in the description of this video. So when you enter sale 30 and click on submit, you should get 20% off. And now this is how much you are paying for hosting, and this 1 year, right, instead of this. But remember, or take note, next year you'll be renewing as this, and this also your domain name. Let's go down, and this is how much you are paying for an entire year. After that, scroll down, enter your details, accept that you are not a robot, pick this payment method, accept their terms, and click on place order and create account. So I'm going to do that, place order, and then get you on the other side of the screen. Congratulations, if you have reached this part of the training and you have this as active, and this is your account status as active with total packages as 2, it means you've successfully made payment, and then your hosting account is now ready. When you come down, you should also see this package thing as active, and then your domain as active with everything here. Okay, now you can come here and then go to my domains to manage your domains. You can also click on your domain name to manage your domain. And now you see we have name servers. You can lock your domain and do a lot of cool stuff on your dashboard. So what I'm now going to show you is I'm going to teach you how to log into your cPanel, and that's where you'll be managing your website files. So just type your website name, okay, your domain name /cPanel, hit enter. Now at this point your domain name will not have SSL certificate, so it's important you enable SSL. This will automatically enable for you, but sometimes this can take a while. All right, so I'll show you how to enable SSL certificate for your website. After that, I'll show you how to create database and other things, because we need that to set up our website. Our website has database functionality, so we have to create our database. Makihost is also going to send you your login information, so I'm going to log in with those. Check your welcome emails and you should get your login information. All right, so here are my login information to cPanel. So paste your username, copy your password, enter that there, and click on login, and we are taken to cPanel. So this is our cPanel. Please, I want you to type SSL and click on SSL status. In your case, you're going to see red. All right, so click here to enable everything. All right, and then click on run auto SSL and give it a while. Okay, so you have to be patient, and then the whole page will reload, will refresh itself, and you get a secured padlock. So allow it do its thing, but because I already installed it off camera, I can open it in a new tab and type my website name. So my website name, hit enter, and you see I now have this padlock. All right, now we can log in again by putting /cPanel. All right, hit enter, and now you see we have this secured connection. When you click on it, you see connection is secured. Now we can log in to this to our cPanel again, but make sure this completes. All right, so I'm going to log in again. I can now terminate this because I already have SSL installed, but in your case you should let it run. Do not terminate it. Let the page reload itself. I'm going to log in again. It's important to have SSL certificate, before proceeding with the training. And now our connection is secured, and this cPanel with our secured connection. Now we are safe and we are free to go now. So the next thing we're going to do is to create database, because the software will be installing. We need database to proceed. So the way we do that is just type db and click on manage my databases, and you are brought to a page just like this. Now let me show you. We have to create a database name. All right, after that, we'll create a username, assign password to this user. This is the information we need to get our website up and running. I'll take you back there, and then we'll enter our database name. So I'll click and I'll put db name, okay, which stands for database name. You can give it whatever name you want. So db name, and click on create database. Our database is created successfully. Click here to go back. Scroll down to this part of the screen, username. So click and type db user. Now I want to generate password for this user, so I'll copy this password, copy, and this password, make sure you paste it somewhere safe like this. So I'll paste it here, go back, and we're going to confirm that yes, we've pasted this password. Now click on use password, and then click on create user. Our user is created successfully. Click here to go back. Now let's scroll down, and we're going to connect our user to our database. So make sure, if you have multiple users and multiple databases, make sure you pick the right one. But because I only have one user and one database, I'll just click on add. On this page, we're going to allow all privileges. Scroll down and click on make changes. Now I want you to copy this username, copy, and we'll go back to this page and put the username here. Go back, I'll copy this database name, come here, and we'll put that one here. Now for the host, just leave it as local host. Okay, now we're going to save this document. Excellent. So those are the data or the details we'll be needing to connect our software to our cPanel or our hosting. The next piece to it is we're going to create business email, and then we'll also set up SMTP. We want our website to be able to send out emails to users, okay? Notifications, anything related to emails. We want our website to have that functionality. So the way we do that is you click on this search box and type email and click on email account. Click on create, because right now we don't have emails. Now here I want you to type hello at your website name.com. So just type the hello and leave it, because the rest will be added for you. So if it's support that you want to use, so yes, you can just put support at your website name.com. So I'm going to leave it as support at, and then I'll now scroll down and click on generate password. You see this password, copy it, copy, and I want you to scroll down. All right, I already prepared this, so this is the password area. I'll paste it here, click here, scroll down, and then click on create. Good, our email is created. You can now give this email to your users or your clients to start contacting your business. So let's say your users want to contact your business, you can provide this email. Now come here to connect devices, scroll down, and this is what we'll be using to enable SMTP. Okay, as you can see it on top here, SMTP. Without it, your website will never send out, can never send out emails. So the user, just copy your business email, come, and we're putting the user here. Port, I want you to copy this port. All right, copy this port, We're putting that one to here. Server. Copy this. And we're putting it here. Now I'll save this document. Excellent. So we're done with that. Now when we get our software up and running, we'll simply come here and grab these details and then use it on our software, hassle free. All right. So now that we are done with that, I want you to go to a file manager. So let's click on tools, and on this page scroll down to file manager, click here, and this is where we'll be uploading our website files. So scroll down to this part, public_html, open it. Now I want you to open your website name. So let's open your website. Right now your website has nothing inside. It's just displaying this text, index of. It means your website is still empty. Click on file or add file and put something like index.html and click on create file. Come here, edit, edit, and let's put something like we are live, right? And click on save. Go back and take note, this file that we created is inside public_directory. Okay, public_html directory. Now when you go to your website, reload, you see that your website is now displaying we are live. This is to say that public_html directory is where we're uploading our website files. Let's delete this file, delete, and confirm. Okay, so we've deleted that. I only created that to show you the importance of this directory, public_html. Now that we have our cPanel ready, it's time for us to get our files. Where do we get our files? Now if you were to program this website manually, you need a programming language like PHP, you need JavaScript, you need HTML, you need CSS, you need MySQL, right, in order to build something like what I just showed you. Developers understood this and they have come out with already made scripts that you can simply buy one time, upload it to your web server, and have your website go live. Because learning all these languages can take you up to 5 years to master and build something closer to what I just showed you. That's why in the description of this video you see a link that says get script or PHP script here. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to a page just like this. So this is the script that we'll be buying and uploading to our file manager. Now this costs $30. Now if you were to hire web developer to build something like what I just showed you, you'll be paying somewhere closer to thousands of dollars to get something like what I showed you. So $30 investment is a good thing. So add it to cart, make the payment, buy it. After that, download it, then I'll show you how to upload it to your web server. I have downloaded my script and I've extracted it. Make sure you extract it. All right, now we have it like this. We're going to zip this file, so right click and click on compress and click on compress. We'll be uploading this file to our public_html. So wait for it to complete. Successfully compressed. So we are now going to upload this to our file manager by going to public_html, and I'll click on upload and then click on select and navigate to where you have that file compressed. So I'll go there and then pick this one, the zipped file, and click on select. We wait patiently for this file to get uploaded to our file manager. Our file is successfully uploaded. Click on this link. Click on your file, your uploaded file, and click on extract. Extract files. Content extracted successfully. Close it. Now let's delete this. Confirm. Let's open this. So double click. Make sure you enable show hidden files and save. After that, I want you to select everything, move, and remove this part, and click on move. Now click here to go up one level, and you have your files here plus folders. Let's delete this. Delete. Now open your website name, hit enter. Now we have an error here. PHP version 8.3 is required. So go to your cPanel and type select PHP version. Type select, and click on select PHP version. Our current PHP version is 8.1 and 8.3 is required. So I take you back there and then click here and pick 8.3. Now click on apply. Go back and reload the page. If you still have that issue, go back and go to multi-PHP manager. Click on multi-PHP manager. And here too, you have to enable PHP version 8.3 here and click on apply. Let's go back to our error page, reload, and you'll be redirected to a page like this. Scroll down and click on I agree, next step. And we have folder permissions that we have to enable. 775 is required, and right now we are running on 755. So go to core bootstrap cache. I'll take you there. Core bootstrap cache, and we change it to 775. Let's copy this, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and save it. Let's go back and go to core storage. And then we'll paste our 775 here and click on save. Core storage app. So storage app 775, save. Framework 775, save. Logs 775, save. And we are done. Now click on recheck and we're good to go. Now click on next step, scroll down, and here we'll be pasting our database details. So I'll take you back to our document. We'll copy our database name, paste it here. Username, paste it here. Host, just type localhost. Password, copy our password, paste it here. Admin credentials. These are the details you'll be using to log in as the website owner. So I'll put admin, but in your case, you have to enter strong or unique credentials. So I've entered admin, and then my email. After that, I'll just click on install. Good job, the software is successfully installed. Let's delete this folder. So I'll take you back to cPanel. Go up one level and up one level, and we're going to delete this folder. Let's go back and click on go to website and activate. And for just doing that, our website is already coming together. All right, our navigation is there. We have not yet created categories. Our banner is there. Everything is looking fine. So congrats, you successfully installed your software. Let's now log in. So simply put /admin, hit enter, and here we'll enter our username and password. In my case, I'll enter admin. So I've entered admin, and I'll click on login. I'm successfully logged in to my dashboard. Now let's open our website on a different tab, because we want to edit the content on this website and do other general configurations. So I'll come back here, and what I want you to do is just scroll down to products, click here and click on categories. We are now going to create our categories. And they will display here and here. To begin, make sure you are on your categories, and let's upload our category image. But first, what category are you creating? So I'm going to create men's fashion, women fashion, furniture, and other categories. So I'll just click here and put men fashion. Icon. Click inside and click on this filter and type male and just pick this one. All right, now meta title, you can put men fashion there. Description, enter your meta description. Now this is likely to show up on search engines. Now meta keywords, click and type man, hit enter. Boys, hit enter. Just enter all your keywords. Now this is going to be your main category or your root category. So we're going to create root category and drop down or subcategories. So subcategories will be like, under men category we have men shoe, men watches, and what have you, men bags. Okay, so those things will fall under men, the subcategories. Okay, so we come down and I want you to pick top category and filter category. So this top category is this one here, and filter category is going to be here. So what we'll do is, let's upload our image. So I'll click here, and because it's men, we want to pick something like this. Scroll down and then click on submit. Now this category is successfully created and you see it's here. So I want you to now create what we call subcategories for this. And the way we do that is, just click on it like the way I clicked on it and click on add child. So after you click on add child, come here and click on it and upload something like maybe men shoes. So we're going to create category for our men subcategory, and that's shoe. So click here and just put shoe or shoes. Click inside here and you can put shoe. All right. Now you can copy it and paste it here, but you can also type something like this category is for men, all right, or this is a category for men, or shoes category, whatever. This is very simple. Meta description, so just describe this. Keywords, so put something like shoe, sandals, and what have you. Enter those things. Now make sure you pick everything because it's a subcategory, so pick everything and click on submit, and this category is added. Now when you click here, you should have a subcategory. So do that for all the subcategories under men. I hope the idea is simple now. I guess want to give you the clue and then you apply. Now what we do is click on add root category, and we're going to create a category for women. So here just type women, click inside here and pick woman or woman. Meta title, type something like this category is for women or whatever. Now description, describe that category. Keywords, I'll put woman, hit enter. Girl, enter. Ladies, enter. Because it's a main category, pick this and this and click on submit. All right, click on submit. Good, and that category too is created. We want to create a subcategory under women fashion, so just click on it, all right, and click on add child. And what I want you to do is click on add child. Good, make sure you click on it and click on add child. But before I forget, click on it, all right, just click on it again. Make sure you upload an image for your women fashion. So I'll click here and I'll pick something like this and not this. Okay, so we'll pick this, but this is for women, and I'll click on submit. Good. Now make sure you're on the women fashion and now click on add child. I'm going to create subcategory for our what women. So I'll click here and we're going to create shoes category or sandals. Okay, so something like this, and maybe let's put something like inside the search, so put something like this. Something like this. Now just put woman shoe, woman shoe, and describe this subcategory. Enter keywords like shoe or woman and enter all the keywords. Because it's a subcategory, pick everything and click on submit. And now you have a drop down here. Okay, so that's how you create categories. Do that. Now when you go back to your site and reload, you should now have something like this. You can also hover here, click, and you have these things. Let's go back to our dashboard, and we're done with the categories aspect. Next up, I want you to close this and click on shipping methods. Click here and add a shipping method. So with shipping method, let's add something like this. And how much will FedEx cost? So something like this. Delivery in 10 days or 20 days. Description. So this is the fastest shipping method, or you can enter your own shipping methods there. Okay, I'm only giving you the methods. Now click on submit, and this shipping method is added successfully. Another one will be like quick ship. So this is also a shipping company by me. All right, so it's a demo company, it's not a real company. Now charge, I'm only using that to show you as demo. So charge delivery in, so this one is very fast, so it will deliver in just 5 days. And then this is the second fastest. I hope by now the idea is simple, like you have gotten the clue. Now just click on submit. Good. This way, when buyers are ordering, they'll choose the shipping method that they want to go with. Okay, so we're done with that. Let me show you here promotions. Click on coupons, but for now we don't have products on the site, so but it's very simple. Let's click on add new, enter a coupon name. So June 15, and the code itself is going to be something like this. Coupon type, maybe percentage, and it's going to be 15% off. Start date will be today, and then apply. End date will be the end of the month, and apply. Description. So this is just a test. Minimum maybe 1 and maximum 1,000. Category, so men and women. Select the product. Right now there's no product, so just leave it open. So here you can put hundreds, and here you put 1 and click on submit. This coupon is not specific to any product. That means anyone can use it, provided they are ordering men's or women's products, just like what we did. So now that we're done with that, come down and go to payments. But here we don't have to do anything there. Now the most important part of it all is settings. So come here and go to general settings. Remove this name and put your name, your website name. So shopping Zilla or shopping X, whichever name you want, put it there, your business name. Now change the color of your site to your brand colors by using this. Okay, and click on choose, but I don't want to do that. And then I'll pick my currency, symbol, time zone. Now this is going to be your commission on sale. So how much do you want to charge per sale? Put that there. So if it's 5%, maybe you want to take 5% from them on every transaction made. After that, click on submit, and then click on settings again. Now go to logo and favicon. Here upload your logo and favicon. Favicon is this thing that you see here. Make sure you upload it, and then click on clear the cache to clear your cache, and your logo will start appearing. So now click on system settings again and go to system configurations. I want you to enable this, force strong passwords, and click on submit. Go back, notifications. This area is very important. Scroll down to this part, and you see this email, remove it, and I want you to scroll down and copy your email, paste it there. Now you see this logo, we want to remove it. So click inside this box, Control F. Inside the search, type SRC. We're removing from here all the way to here. Let me see. From here, the HTTPS all the way to here. Remove. Now that logo is gone. I want you to replace your own logo. I assume you've uploaded your logo, so okay, let's click on copy image address. Click inside here and paste that logo here, and your logo should start appearing or displaying like this. See? After that, click on submit. After you click on submit, go back to the top and click on email settings. After that, click here and click SMTP. Come here and copy this email. Paste this email here. Copy password. Paste password here. Copy server or host. Now the port is 465. So come here, put 465 and paste your host. After that, click on submit, and your site will start sending out emails. Okay, so without these settings, your website will never send out emails. So we're done with that. Congrats. Now go to system settings again. Now I didn't save this part, so let me just put it there really quickly. So shopping X, and then click on submit, and on top it will change. So you see shopping X. All right, let's proceed to this part, payment gateways. Disable all these payment gateways. Those that you don't want, disable them. Successfully disabled. Okay, so that's how you disable a payment gateway. Successfully disabled. So I assume you are done disabling all. Just leave the ones that you want. So I'm going to leave Flutterwave. Click on edit. Enter your Flutterwave public key and secret key, and then encryption key. After that, on top here, click and pick a currency. So I'm going to pick my default currency and click on add. Now, what is the minimum amount users can spend on your site? 1. And the maximum amount they can spend on your site is 1,000. So this is where you'll be charging for gateway fee. So maybe $1. And percentage, maybe 2%. You want to charge this as gateway fee. Now, pick your dollar symbol. The rate is 1. Click on submit. But before that, copy this, copy and paste it here. Click on submit. Good. So do that for all your payment methods. Now click on system settings again. Come here and click on withdrawal methods. You want to give sellers or vendors a way to take their money. So click on withdrawal method, and then I'll click on add new, and I'm going to upload a withdrawal method. So something like bank transfer. If you put bank transfer there, it means users will be requesting their money via bank transfer, or they'll be getting their money through bank transfer. So I'll click, and I don't have bank logo, so I'll just use one of these. Let me just use one of these. Okay, so just pardon me, we'll use this as my bank logo, but you have to download or design bank logo, your bank logo, and put it there. Now name bank transfer. Bank transfer. The currency is going to be USD. The rate is 1. Minimum is, so this is where we want to set a threshold. Sellers can only request for their money after they have reached a certain threshold, like $50 and above. So they can only request for this money after they reach this. If you don't want that feature, you can just put 1 there. That means if they make $5 sale, then they can take their money. Now charge, this is where you'll be charging for withdrawal fee. Okay, you can do that. So maybe 1% is 2. Now instruction, provide your banking details using the form below. Good. Now come down and click on add. Here pick text, here pick required, and here make sure you put bank name, okay, or full name with 100. Instruction, enter your full name here and click on add. So want to get their full name, want to also get the bank name, so click, make it required bank name. So just put bank name, because when you are transferring this money, you want to know the bank name before you can transfer. So here enter your bank name, so put bank name, click on add. Next, account number, so this is going to be a number required. You want to make all these fields required, so enter your account number here. Okay, so here do this. I'll take this and rather paste that one here, but here remove this and put account number there, simple like this, and then click on add. Now I want to also get their routing number or Swift code, so click, and I want you to put something like this, pick text required. Now routing number, routing number / or Swift code, depending on where you're watching the video. Okay, so some countries use Swift, some use routing numbers. So here, and just put something like enter your Swift, your routing number or Swift code, right, and click on add, and that's it. So we've created a form for them to be able to request their money, and you get these details after they submit the request. You get their details and then you transfer the money to them. Click on submit, and then withdrawal method added successfully. Okay, you see that? Now that we are done with that, go to system settings again, and I want you to go to search engine optimization settings. Now enter your meta keywords, delete all this and put your own keywords. So I hope you know what keywords are. Enter those things: description, social title, and social description. Enter that here. Now this banner, make sure you upload your own banner with the help of this size, because when users share your website on social networks, this banner is going to display. Do that and click on submit. Now let's go to front end manager, but before we go there, please let's keep this for now. I'll come back to it later. Let's go to seller KYC settings. Now we want our sellers to be able to verify their KYC. So click here and pick text required and put something like full name, 100%. Enter your full name, add, click again. This time just put file required and put something like ID card, and then put something like this maybe front of the ID. So maybe front, extensions, enter the extensions you accept. So upload the front, or upload your ID front, click on add. Now do the same thing, but that one, upload so here is ID, add, or ID back, so something like back. Pick your file extensions, 100%, instruction, upload your ID back, click on add. This way, and after that click on submit. This way sellers can verify their account successful. Come down and click on system settings, go down, social login settings. Ignore this, okay? This is a topic on its own, so just ignore it. But first, let's go there and disable social logins. So make sure, yeah, they're already disabled, so just leave them as they are. Now go back, come down, and I want you to go to extensions, Google reCAPTCHA, very important. Click on enable. Yes. Now configure, go to, I have a video in the description. In case you do not see that video, comment and then I will put it there. That video will show you how to get your site key and then your secret key. Remove these things and put your keys there and click on submit. That way Google reCAPTCHA will be enabled. Google reCAPTCHA is nothing but that I'm not a robot thing that you always see on login forms, registration forms, even contact us forms. This will prevent bots or spammers or web crawlers from attacking your website. So do that, but I'm going to disable it, but you have to do that, okay? Now let's go back, and I want you to come to policy pages, because this is where your legal pages are. You can add a new page by clicking here, but I want to edit my terms and conditions and privacy and policy. So just click on edit, enter your terms of service. You can let ChatGPT help you do this. Very important, because users are going to see that. And then also do the same thing, edit your privacy and policy and terms and conditions. After that, make sure you click on search engine settings, upload a banner here, meta keywords, descriptions, and click on submit. Let's go back. This is good for search engine optimization. All right, do that for all your pages. Okay, now we go to system settings, come down, and I want you to see this is what you use to switch your site to coming soon mode. Let's say you are doing some work on your site, you just enable this and click on submit. Users cannot perform any activity on your site when you have this enabled. After you are done with your work or your maintenance work, you then disable it and click on submit again. Let's go back, come down, and I want you to go to your cookies policy. Make sure you enter your cookie policy here and then click on submit. Next, we go to sitemap XML. Click on it, and here we're going to generate a sitemap for our site. So just go to this website, type free sitemap generator, click on the first link, copy your website URL, paste it here, click on start, and it's going to scan your website and give you a map. This map will help Google or other crawlers to navigate your website and know exactly where your pages are. So we want to have that on our website. So click on view sitemap and then let's download this. After that, click on view, come down, copy from here all the way to the top, copy, come here, and I want you to click inside this box and paste it. After that, click on submit. Now, most at times this does not work. So what we do is you navigate to, so let me show you quickly. I'll type my website name and go to my cPanel, public_HTML, double click, and here click on upload. That file that we get downloaded, upload it. Now we're going to rename it. So I'll click and we're going to rename this. Now click on rename and remove the this part. Just remove this part, only that part, and click on rename. Now we go back to here and reload this page. And you see everything is there. There's no need to click on submit again. Click on system settings and I want you to go to manage front end. So click on it. Now this is where the heavy work is. So we're going to now use this part to edit the content. Anything you see here, or we're going to use the part to change the content on this website, because it's not good to have this dummy content. You see, we have the developers information there, so we have to put our own content. So first we have banner, so let's click on this gear and click on edit. Now you see this image, that's what we have here. That's what we have here. So upload your own banner, design it. The recommended size is here. After you design it, click upload and then click on submit. But before that, you can link a product or a category here. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Maybe you want to link a category. So I'll just click on men's fashion. Let's say you design a banner for men. Then you simply put that logo, that link here, and then click on submit. Or let's say you want to promote a certain product, then you design a banner for that and then link the product here and click on submit. I hope it's clear now. Very simple. Now click on back and I want you to, let's go back. All right, so we're going to continue with the edit. The next thing we're to do is, you see these two promotions here. Come here and click on promotion banner, and I want you to click on edit and upload your banner here and then link to that product that you are selling here and click on submit. After that, do that for the second one. Upload, let's say it's this product that you are selling, this VR, link that product here. That way when users click on it, it will take them to that product. Next, go to code verification. So I think for this, just ignore it, everything is good, but you can upload, you can change that image you saw there. Now contact page, click on it and we have a contact. Let's click on contact and this is where we edit that. So we have some contact information here. Replace this and click on submit. Now with this Google map, you can remove it. Go to maps.google.com, search for your location. So let's say Bolgatanga. I'll click on Bolgatanga, click on share, click on embed a map, click on copy URL, come here, paste it here. Now remove the iframe, or just copy all the link, so which is all the way to here. Okay, so just cut it. After you cut, so you're copying what is inside the source. Okay, after you cut, remove this iframe because it's not needed. Now click on submit, but remember to change the details here. Now when you go back and reload, Bulgar should start showing. Okay, so that's how you update the content there. Now we'll go back, go to footer, very important. The phone number, which is here, can be found here. Time can be found here. Email, remove it. Your address, remove it. So this is your footer note, which is this. Put your footer note there. Copyright text, just enter your website name here, and then the date or the year, and click on submit. Now you can upload your payment methods, which is this. So design something like this and upload it as an image, and click on submit. After that, go back. Password forgot. On their forgot password page, this is the text they will see. You can leave it. There's no need changing it, so just leave it. Invite users, click. We have it here. So on your home page, you see that here you are inviting users to create an account, and you see we have a button here. When users click on it, it doesn't take them anywhere. So what I want you to do is come here and click on this and click on create account. So click on it and pick this link, go back, and I want you to put this there. You can also remove this and enter the text that you want to display here. You can leave it and then click on submit. Now this time, when users click on this, it's going to take them to a registration form, just like this. We go back and we'll click here to go back. Invite sellers. So click and click here. Go to the home. Scroll down. And this is already pointing to the right form. So click on create seller account and it's working fine. Go back. KYC. So click. You can leave this. Everything is fine. Click on submit. Okay, there's no need clicking. Just leave it. So we go back and login page. You can upload an image here to replace this and leave what is there. Don't touch it and click on submit. You can also enter your own text and click on submit. Pages. We have shipping and delivery pages, return and exchange. You can even add extra pages. So on these pages, you can put your own content there because users are going to see that. So we have shipping and delivery pages, return and exchange. They're here. We go back. Registration disable. For this, ignore it. Okay, you can also upload your own image and then put your own text, because there's a feature that allows us to disable user registration, and users are going to learn, your potential users who want to sign up account are going to learn on this page. Sign ups are temporary, unavailable, please check later, and click on submit. So enter that. Let's go back. Register page. You can upload your own image. Make sure you put your website name here because it's welcome to your website, and click on submit. Reset password. So we did that already. There's no need. Okay. So the reset password and then the code verification look kind of similar. Now, seller login, upload your own image, edit the content, and click on submit. Seller registration page, which is this. See that? So upload your own image, your text. Remember to put your website name. Now, social media. We want to put our social profiles. So come here and then update these links to your social profiles. Those that you don't want, you can remove them. Let's go back. Subscribe. So this is your newsletter. There's nothing there to do. Just leave it. Now let me register an account as a seller and show you how the process looks like. So I'll click here and put my first name. I've entered my details as a seller. Now you see, these are your legal pages. Users are going to see that, so make sure you work on them. Accept to these terms and then click on sign up. 6-digit code will be sent to your address. This address is fake. Because of that, I'm going to my dashboard, and because you're the website owner, you can do that. You can go to the dashboard and then manually verify these users. So email unverified, but don't do that. Allow them to verify their own account via email. Now come here and click on email verification. Now let's reload this page as a seller. Now let's enter a username. Users will click on submit after they enter these details, because this is what they'll be using to log in. So this is their username. Now click on submit and they are brought to this page. Now this is the part that will ask them to verify their KYC. So they'll click on this link, full name, they'll enter that, ID front and ID back, they'll enter that and click on submit. And then you verify their accounts for them. Now they'll click on my shop and then they'll design shop logo, shop cover image, shop name, phone number, address, open at and close at, meta data or meta information, their social links here, and click on submit. After that, they'll go to all products, because this is the most important part, and then they'll now add their own products. So they'll enter their product name. After that, they'll click on generate and it's going to generate a link for this product. Let's pick a category. So this is women fashion, but this is a bag, so let's just say shoe. Generate again. Now come here, category, women shoe, price 100, description, test description, test summary, extra description, you can add that here, track inventory, show in front end. So here will be like maybe 00001 for product 1. Okay, you can give it a number, so maybe 2441. Okay, now specifications, you enter that there. Search engine optimization content, you enter that there, and then upload an image, additional image, and then what, video, you put that there and then click on submit, and this product will be added to the system. Now before I forget, let's go back, and there's one thing we have not done. So this part, brand. So go back to your administrative dashboard and click on brands and make sure you add your brands. So something like Adidas, you enter that there. If it's phones categories, maybe you put Samsung, Infinix, iPhones. This way you put those, or Apple, sorry, this way you put those brands there. Okay, and upload the logo for those brands, because users will be asked to pick a brand when they are uploading their products. So do that and then make sure you click on submit. If you want this exact website, check the description of this video. Guys, after doing all of this, you should now have a fully functioning multi-seller e-commerce site where sellers can come sell products on it, where you make some revenue. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Hoping to see you in my next episodes. Thank you and bye bye.